Hey guys! So today I'm going to be showing you what my brow routine has been looking like. I have recently found this product and it is really one of the best, strongest but not flaky eyebrow gels I've ever tried. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hello, my name is Josie. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button if you like beauty lifestyle videos. And let's jump right into this video. So, as you can see, my makeup is done except for my brows, and that was on purpose. We are going to go in, and I am going to be showing you the Unleashia. Oh, it's so good. This is the Unleashia brow gel. Actually, it's called a Shaper Pomade Eyebrow Fixer. So what's cool about this is you open it, and you have your brow gel here. But if you close it and pull, you have a comb and a brush to help shape your brows out. And it comes in, it's very, very good. All right, so I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to jump into this tutorial. Ooh, we real close. Ooh, we are very close. Alrighty, so what I like to do is just make sure my brow is free of any makeup that may have gotten stuck in them during the makeup process. And so I'm just going to take a little bit of micellar water on a cotton pad and just go through the brows with a lot of clear gel. If there's makeup in the brows, it can like attach to it and kind of make it look more, oh God, what's the word? Like powdery, but in a bad way, which is never good. And also sometimes it gets into the brow product itself and then makes it cloudy, and I'm just not about that. We're not gonna do it because I like it too much, and it's super affordable. I think it's $14. Oh my goodness, hold on. Let's look it up. Let's get on to Ulta. All right, it is $13, so it's pretty low. I got mine at Ulta. Let's see what this says. Versatile brow pomade, perfect for achieving both natural definition and bold, dramatic looks. Compatible with various applicators. Use a brush, angled tool, or your favorite brow tool for easy, customizable application. Flexible, buildable formula allows you to fill, shape, and define brows with precision and creative control. Expertly formulated for precision, the Shaper Pomade Eyebrow Pencil from Unleashia is a high pencil. It's not a pencil. Oh, that's weird. A high-performance eyebrow gel that features a long-lasting pomade formula that shapes, tames, and sets brows in place all day. Achieve defined, smudge-proof brows with professional level hold and control. All right, you can't really get better than $13. So I have removed the product. I am going to actually put my mirror on something closer to me. I need it even higher. What about this? Ooh, that's better. All right. Okay, so we're going to open this bad boy up, and this is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is go into the brow, make sure I am really coating each hair so that it's all throughout the brow. So I like to just go back and forth a little bit. And then once we have it completely filled with product, I like to go in and just start to raise them up. This white stuff that you might see in the brow right now, it dries completely clear. And I'm really picky with my brows, just so everyone knows. All right, now that it is in my brow and I have them kind of set where I want them, I am just going to take my finger and roll it over my brow so they push down to the skin. Once that is there, I'm going to take the top off and use the brush and to just straighten the brow hairs out, just like that. And then I like to go in with that Q-tip that we were using earlier and just go around the brow. Look at that, guys. That is one brow completed. I will go in with a really thin pen just to get into the spots that need a little bit more definition. But let's move on to the other eye before we do that. Route this back out again. All right, I'm gonna go into the brow like we did before. I'm going to do this one a little bit faster, like what I usually do, day to day. And you can kind of feel it start to get a little bit tacky. When you can feel that tackiness, that's when you want to press it down so that you don't get stuck with something that you don't want, which has happened to me as well. I'm just going to press it down just like that. All right, so that is the brows pressed into place. I'm going to let this dry, and then we're going to go in with the brow pen from NYX. This is the Lift and Snatch brow pen in brunette. All right, they are dry. With a very light hand, I'm going to go in and just place some product down where the brows need a little bit of help, just like that. All right, guys, that is the brows finished. Look at that. And I will tell you right now, I have wore these yesterday, just yesterday. I put my brows on at 6:30 a.m. and they still looked good at like 7 p.m. Like they still looked good. And I'm going to keep doing this for a while. Like I'm really enjoying this product. I'm really enjoying it. I got a couple other products from the brand and I also like them as well. Very exciting. All right, that is how I have been doing my brows, and also a little mini review / tutorial on how to use the Unleashia eyebrow fixer. Hopefully, is it Unleashia? I'm not sure. One of the two. It's on the K Beauty end cap in Ultas for the ones that do have it. All right. If you guys have any requests on what videos you would like to see next, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.